Okay, class. So for this example, it's similar to midpoint, but there are differences. So if y is between x and z, find the following. Notice the keyword here is between and not midpoint like the previous example. Okay, between means that it's somewhere in between the 2 points. Now we don't know, it could be the midpoint, it could be right in the middle, but we honestly don't know. The only thing we know is that y is somewhere between x and z. Okay, so this is what you do in this example. In this example, you cannot set the left equals the right, but there is something that we know. Okay, look at this segment. Okay, and use logic and common sense. The left is 7a and the right is 5a, but the entire segment measures 6a plus 24. So let's use a little bit of logic and common sense. The left plus the right equals the entire segment. Again, the left plus the right equals the whole thing. Okay, so that's exactly how you're going to set up the equation. Okay, let's begin with the left. 7a plus the right, which is 5a, equals the entire segment, which is 6a plus 24. Okay, this is called segment addition because we're adding the left plus the right and equaling to the entire thing. So now let's go ahead and combine. Okay, 7 plus 5. Okay, that would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we have 12a equals, bring down the 6a plus 24. Okay, now let's combine the a's on one side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 6a from both sides. And what that's going to do is that will cancel my a on the right side, now leaving me with a on the left side only. So 12, take away 6, you got 6a equals 24. Okay, so now what you do is this, you divide both sides by 6, leaving me a equals, that reduces to 1. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So I already have part of my answer. They're asking for two things here. The first thing, the a value, I already know is 4. So to get yz is this piece of the segment, the right piece of the segment. All I have to do is plug it in. 5 times 4 equals 20. So my answer is 20. Okay? My answer is 20. So if you can simply remember the rule, the left plus the right equals the entire thing, you're going to be fine. Okay? So again, here's my answers. Now let me show you something. The previous problem, after you substitute the variable, the left gave you the same as the right. Here, y is not the midpoint. So let me show you, because I would like for you to see. If you do 7 times 4, that gives you 28. So the left equals 28, but the right equals 20. And that's perfectly fine. You know, that's normal. So if you need additional help, you can always visit your teacher during their conference hour. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a good day.